Okay, it's lunchtime here. You know what it is. Lunchtime is time to rhyme. I love to rhyme. I do this all the time. But especially today, I would like to give you some Valentine's lines because, girl, you are just so fine. Would you be my Valentine? Right, let's get to what we're gonna do today. Right, basically, I'm just gonna share some quick lines here. Some of these they're not, don't use them. Yeah, just don't use them. They're just interesting. Okay, let's have a look. Roses are red, the grass is green. I looked out the window. You were the most beautiful girl I have ever seen. Mm-hmm. Right. Check this one out. Listen to this. Roses are red, Coke is black. Girl, I am not leaving you. I'm sticking to you like glue tack. Mm-hmm. Don't they all say that? What else we got here? Girl, you can call me Johnny because girl, you can call me Johnny because with a woman like you, I don't need to buy no honey. Why should I do that? That'll be wasting money. Mm-hmm. Okay, check this one out, ladies. You might like this one. My name is Johnny Dan. I'm real, no fake. I can be your man. Anyone touches you, I'll fight them like Jackie Chan. After that, we go on holiday and go get a tan. Ha! You like that? No, you don't like that. Okay, let me try one more, right? Let me try one more, okay? Let me try one more. Right, let's see here. Girl, you are so fine. Your beauty sends shivers down my spine. I want you to be mine. Would you be my Valentine? Yes or no? Okay. I'm okay with that. I'll finish off with this. Happy Valentine's Day, people. Whether you're single or in a relationship, God loves you anyway. I hope you have a good day. See you later. My name's Ike. Bye-bye.